So I had a 5-man shovel crew, and getting them all to show up and do the job was just too much of a stress. So that's why we decided to get Snow Rhino, and now we're down to one guy, and he handles it all and he loves using it. So we like the Rhino because it'll go anywhere. It scrapes anything, ice, snow. You don't have to worry about the wet snow getting clogged in the blowers. You don't get stuck, you don't have wheel hop. You know, it's smooth whether it's dry or wet, and it does way more than you think it would. Yeah, we've scraped 2-3 inches of ice and it just comes right up. It scrapes, you wouldn't believe how good it scrapes. Nothing scrapes like it. Nothing I've ever used before. A big thing with the Rhino was the price point. You know, you get a ton of bang for your buck compared to some of the other stuff out there. And I think it does a better job. It's more comfortable, and it's easy to work on. I would say anybody that has a lot of mall space or storefronts, I'd consider the Rhino. One, you can get all the sidewalks cleared, and then where you have a lot of parking lot to curb, you can push away from the curb and get all the snow out of the area. It's a simple machine. Anybody can use it. You can't go wrong. I think the Orec will exceed all your expectations.